Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. On this channel I teach baking, cooking and a little bit of everything. So if you are new here, please consider subscribing. In this video I'll be teaching us how to make perfect donuts using donut cutter. And if you don't have donut cutter, feel free, you can also make donuts. I'll be showing us two methods here. So in a bowl, measure in the evaporated milk, 2 large eggs, 3 tablespoons of yeast. Mix everything together and set it aside. In another bowl, measure in the flour, add in powdered milk, add in the sugar, nutmeg to give flavor to the donut, and a half tablespoon of salt. Mix everything together until well combined before adding it inside the liquid ingredients. Begin to add into the liquid ingredients bit by bit as you stir. When you can no longer use your whisk, use your spatula and continue to mix. Mix until when the powdered and the liquid ingredients have been well combined. At that point, you will notice that it will become doughy or so sticky. Continue mixing with your clean hands until the dough is sticky and well formed. At this point, add in the butter and continue mixing. Cover it for an hour or until doubled in size. Drop a little oil on the tabletop. Transfer the dough to it and begin to knead it like this. It is always sticky, so feel free to dip your hands in oil or butter and continue kneading the dough like this. Flatten it on the tabletop and use your donut cutter and cut it into shape. I must say thank you to all my subscribers. Like and share this video. Turn on the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you will be notified. You need to make use of baking paper if your dough must maintain that shape. Cut it in pieces. Once you cut the donut, transfer it to the baking paper and put it onto a tray. Continue this process until you are finished cutting all the dough. Check my other videos on baking, and if there is anything you don't understand, please feel free to leave it in the comment section below, and also go ahead and try yours and tell me the result. After cutting, You can still spray a little flour and knead the remaining dough and continue cutting until you are finished. So if you don't have a donut cutter, you can also make donuts, and this is how you do it. Cut it into small balls. Use your hand and flatten it. Here I will be making use of nozzle, but you can use any shape of your choice, something that can make that hole in the middle. Make sure you flatten it very well and make it round as much as possible. Transfer it onto the baking paper and do it for the remaining dough. And this is the donuts arranged on a tray. Cover it again and leave it for at least 20 minutes before frying. In a heated pan, add in the vegetable oil of your choice. Go ahead and transfer the dough inside the oil. Don't allow your oil to be too hot. Fry it on a low heat, and this is the result of our donut. You can see how yummy it is looking. So this is how easy it is to make donuts. Subscribe to my channel for more of such videos. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.